Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue with the Microsoft Edge web browser where you are attempting to access the menu settings or access different components of the Edge browser and you are having transparent menus and dialog boxes appearing sporadically on the pages. Let's fix it guys. First open up Edge and click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select appearance. On right side you just want to select the pairs. A different theme color is that would be one of the reason why it's not showing properly guys. If your theme is too close to the dialog window color, you may want to change it back to default. If you are selected a custom theme in here, and you may also consider turning off the hardware acceleration option in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So in order to do that, you just need to go to search over here, type hardware acceleration, ACCELE, or use hardware acceleration. When available, turn it off guys and select restart. Hopefully this can able to resolve a problem. But if you're still having issue, you can try attempt to reset the Microsoft Edge settings to back to default. So in order to do that, you just need to go to search menu, type installed apps, click on open it. In search apps, you just need to search for Edge. Click on the three dot icon and select modify. Now repairing Microsoft Edge requires an internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't it be affected. Click on repair. Hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.